Guys, I want to cook beans and plantain. I don't know if you like beans and plantain. I love it so much. I love it so much. Do you like fried plantain on top of beans, or you like putting the beans together? Let me know in the comments. Which one do you like? You like the bacha one? Beans and plantain. Can I let's talk about beans and plantain? Russia. If you are interested in this beans and plantain, let me know. Okay. Chocolate and custard. I'm custard this morning. Then later I'll cook the beans and plantain. What do you think, guys? Should I eat beans? Should I eat plantain and custard? We have that here. Or should I cook beans and plantain? Let me fry plantain and egg with custard this morning. Then later I'll cook beans and plantain. Peace out.